How to activate an Anaconda environment. I'm on Windows 8, using Anaconda 1.7.5 64-bit. I created a new Anaconda environment with conda create p./test python equals 2.7 pip. From c:/pr/temp/venv/. This worked well. There is a folder with a new Python distribution. Conda tells me to type activate c:/pr/temp/venv/test. To activate the environment, however, this returns no environment named c:/pr/temp/venv/test exists in c:/pr/anaconda/invs. How can I activate the environment? What am I doing wrong?
If this happens, you would need to set the path for your environment, so that it gets the right Python from the environment and scripts / on Windows. Imagine you have created an environment called Py33 by using. Here the folders are created by default in Anaconda /invs, so you need to set the path as. Now it should work in the command window. The line above is the Windows equivalent to the code that normally appears in the tutorials for Mac and Linux. More info, this URL. Does Anaconda create a separate Python path variable for each new environment?
Use CMD instead of PowerShell. I spent 2 hours before I switched to CMD and then it worked. Create environment. See list of conda environments. Activate your environment. That's all, folks.
Note that the command for activating an environment has changed in Conda version 4.4. The recommended way of activating an environment is now conda activate myaf instead of source activate myaf. To enable the new syntax, you should modify your .bashrc file. The line that currently reads something like should be changed to. This only adds the conda command to the path, but does not yet activate the base environment, which was previously called root. To do also that, add another line. After the first command, see all the details in Anaconda's blog post from December 2017. I think that this page is currently missing a new line between the two lines. It says /conda activate base. This answer is valid for Linux, but it might be relevant for Windows and Mac as well.
All the former answers seem to be outdated. Conda activate was introduced in Conda 4.4 and 4.6. Conda activate, the logic and mechanisms underlying environment activation have been reworked. With Conda 4.4, conda activate and conda deactivate are now the preferred commands for activating and deactivating environments. You'll find they are much more snappy than the source activate and source deactivate commands from previous conda versions. The conda activate command also has advantages of 1. Being universal across all OSs, shells, and platforms, and 2. Not having path collisions with scripts from other packages like Python virtualenv activate script. Examples: These new subcommands are available in Conda prompt and Anaconda PowerShell prompt automatically. To use conda activate in every shell, normal cmd.exe and PowerShell, check expose conda command in every shell on Windows. References. How to get ready for the release of Conda 4.4. Conda 4.6 release.